bogus.
The struggle is real, guys. The struggle is real.
Gotta keep the shoes clean.
Yeah. All right, guys, we are at the Giant City Nature Trail. This trail consists of large blocks of Macanda sandstone. They, what does that say? Have slid downhill due to undercutting. Action of glacial stream, Giant City Creek. This action is what formed the streets. So basically what they're saying is the action of this sliding, these large blocks of sandstone that have slid and undercut, I guess, the area, is what has formed these streets out here. And I'll show you. These are some of the streets and whatnot, as well as the creeks, which are apparently from a glacial stream. I don't know about all that, but what I do know is that this this is one of the state parks that are right by our house. This is right in our backyard. This is one of our go-to trails.
Yep, this is our family's turf right here.
That's
this is
right.
our spot.
This is our spot. We decided that you guys have seen a lot of the fishing, kayaking, that sort of thing. That's what I mainly do on this channel, but I wanted to let you guys in on some more of the...
Being outdoors is huge for our family.
Right, and we wanted to show you guys that it's not just about fishing, which, yes, fishing and kayak fishing, that is my passion. That is one of the things that I enjoy most. But just being outdoors and being outdoors with my wife and my kids is there's nothing else like it.
Staying grounded in Mother Nature.
That is what...
With Mother Earth.
That is true. And what we like to do is hike.
We love hiking.
We love hiking. So we're going to show you guys a little bit about the Giant City Nature Trail. We're going to take you with us. This trail, it says it is 1 mile and it is a rugged trail. Don't let the description fool you, though. It's really not that tough. It is well maintained. They keep it really nice.
It's beautiful.
They've got assisted walkways, which are like, you know, built bridges and stuff like that, as well as gravel trails, as well as dirt trails. So it's very, very well kept. They do a good job at maintaining this park. The time is roughly 1 hour. It's probably going to be longer whenever you've got kids like ours that don't like to listen and like to do everything along the way.
Stop and look at everything.
Yeah, so we're going to take you guys with us. We're going to show you the Giant City Nature Trail, and hopefully you guys can actually get a feeling of the beauty through the computer screen or your phone screen. Yes, because just the beauty that this place offers, just visual, is just, it's astounding. It's
mind-blowing.
It is. It's mind-blowing. And this is just one of many trails here. So if you guys like this and you like this type of video, give it a thumbs up, and we'll show you guys some more trails from Giant City, as well as some of the other state parks that are near our house. So we're gonna get
people.
Yeah, seriously, get outdoors. Show us the same thing. We love this type of stuff, and the fact that we get to share it with you now, it makes it even more amazing. So all right, guys, we're gonna get on the trail. You ready? Let's go. You what?
The hottest part of the mountain.
You love this part of the mountain. Yeah, what kind of prints do you think that is? Watch out, let's see.
Watch out, guys.
That looks like a bear.
You know what that is?
Bear.
That is a dog print.
Doggy.
Dog track. It, okay, smile. Smile for me. The amount of effort they put into maintaining just this park alone is pretty incredible. Look at the view. Look how it takes you in all of these, like in between all of these bluffs.
It's amazing.
Yes, it's very pretty for this area. You see how you've got one pad right here, one pad, one pad, one pad, one pad. That's the paw print. And now how you can distinguish whether or not, most likely it is a dog or a cat, is whether or not there are claws. You see these claw marks?
Way.
Which way?
That way.
Are you sure it's not this way?
I'm positive.
Which, is it this way?
No. This way.
So if I go this way, I can't go find the trail?
Peanut butter jelly time.
Phoenix, wait up, buddy.
Here, baby. Right here. Stop. Do you want to get up here and look?
Okay.
Here,
Hold on,
Mama.
Get up first.
I am
Got it?
looking up.
Hold on, wait for Mom. Mom's got to hold your hand when you're up here.
Can you carry me through here? I don't want my shoes to get ruined.
These kids.
I'm baggage.
The struggle is real, guys. The struggle is real.
Oh, gotta keep the shoes clean.
Yeah. She didn't wear her hiking boots this time because we're gonna go to the store afterwards, and
And because it just didn't match my outfit. So.
isn't she pretty, guys? How that man has been locked that down. Yeah, look. Let me show you. Oh, it's on the other hand. Locked down. Look at that. Bam!
On my red hands.
Yeah.
They're so cold.
So, you could say I'm a lucky guy, but that's kind of an understatement.
I'm a lucky gal.
This is actually somewhat of a milestone. I feel like this is a big deal and it should be marked with some sort of plaque or placard or something like that. She doesn't come outside in the wintertime. Very rarely.
I hibernate like
She
animals.
definitely hibernates in the winter, so. But just being able to get out in the outdoors as a free man and breathe and de-stress, and while doing all of that, you're getting exercise, and I get to do it with my family, and that's just awesome. I mean, that's just amazing to me. Now, don't get me wrong, kayaking and fishing, I feel, you know, the same way. I get to de-stress, I get to be outside in nature, doing something I love, but that's more of a challenge also. You know, this is like legit just experience. That's why I love hiking. I love seeing the sights. We are done with the trail. We have managed,
Survived.
yes, we've managed to survive. It's getting colder and colder out, so we're gonna kind of cut it right here. We're gonna try to get the kids. They're playing at the playground right there. So we're gonna peel them off the playground equipment and we're gonna head to the house. If you guys liked the video, make sure you leave it a big thumbs up. If you guys haven't subscribed, subscribe. There's gonna be more of these videos to come. And of course, there's always the kayaking, fishing, and just all the regular fun stuff that we always
Great outdoors.
Yes, anything that's got to do with the outdoors. And guys, there's one thing that we try to push on this channel, if nothing else, and that is make every day count, make every day positive. That's all you got to do, guys. Have fun.
Positive mind equals a positive life.
That's right. Have fun with something, at least one thing,
Get outdoors.
every single day. And I guarantee you, you will be a happier person and your life will benefit from it.
Yes.
All right, guys, we thank you for watching. We're gonna get the kids off the playground equipment over here and we're gonna get somewhere that it's warm, guys. You guys stay safe.